Problem 1-6. Susan's apartment is shown below. Well, in this case, it's over on the side here. Assuming that all rooms are rectangular, find the areas described below. All measurements are in feet. All right, so A says find the area of her living room. Okay, so if we look over here and we look at the diagram, we see that the living room has two dimensions, 18 feet by 15 feet. And when we're finding area, we need to multiply together one dimension times the other dimension. That's to find area. So let's go to our paper and we're going to write the problem number first and the section we're working on, A. And we're going to find area of the living room. All right, so the way we're going to find that is we're going to take the 18 feet times 15 feet, and let's see what that is. So if we pull out the calculator, 18 times 15 is equal to 270. So this is 270 square feet. Okay, so let's look at the next question. Find the area of her entire apartment. Okay, so now we're looking at something different. We're not just looking at 18 by 15. We've got to look at this whole thing, 10 plus 18. So let's write that down. So area of apartment. And we're looking at a dimension now where we have to add together 10 plus 18, so that's 28. And then we have to add together 15 plus 8 to get 23. And now we can say, to find the area, 28 feet times 23 feet will be, and let's pull out our calculator again. So clear, 28 times 23 is equal to 644 square feet. Okay, and the next question is C. How much larger than her bedroom is her living room? Okay, so the living room is larger than the bedroom, but how much larger? Well, what we could do is we already know the area of the living room, and we could figure out what the area of the bedroom is and subtract the two numbers, or we could take a shortcut. So the shortcut would be, we know that both the bedroom and the living room have one length that is, or one side that is 15 feet, or two sides that are 15 feet. So one dimension is 15. And with the living room, one dimension is 18 and the other is only 10. But we just want to know the difference, how much larger the living room is. And it looks like it's 8 feet larger on one side. So if we just take that 8 feet times 15 feet, we can find out how much larger. So how much larger is living room? Okay, and if we take 8 feet times the 15 feet, so we're taking the difference between the two rooms there, and we know this stays the same, 8 by 15, 8 times 15 is equal to 120 feet. So 120 square feet. So that's how much larger the living room is than the bedroom. All right, the last problem that we have here is D. Find the perimeter of the kitchen. All right, so that's a little tricky. The perimeter of the kitchen. We've been finding area, but now we're going to find the perimeter of the kitchen. So I find it helpful when finding perimeter to actually draw a little diagram. And we know that one side of the kitchen is 8 feet, and we know another side is 18. So I'm going to put that in, 8 and 18. But remember, a perimeter is the distance all the way around. And so we need to label the other sides of the kitchen. So now we can add up all these sides. So it's going to be the perimeter is going to be equal to 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 because we have to add up all 4 sides. Okay, so let's do the math on that one. So 8 and 8 is 16, so I'm just going to add that in, plus 18 plus 18, and that equals 52. So it's 52, and it's only feet. It's not square feet because we're just adding up the outside distance.